what's up everybody? Let me show you guys how I make roast chicken. Yeah, trust me, it's really good. So let's get started. Also, I'm gonna go ahead and preheat the oven to a perfect way. So, I'll let that preheat and we'll get to the next part. So, in this bowl, I have some chicken breast that I cut them up into little pieces. And then, we're gonna put a little bit of olive oil. Like I will put up a cup with. And then we're gonna put a dash of white vinegar. Yep, just a dash. And then we're gonna put some sea salt. That should be enough. And now, black pepper. Just a little bit of onion powder. A little bit of garlic powder. Like that. And then a little bit of cayenne pepper. And the final ingredient, ground cumin. There we go. And now we'll use time to mix it up really good. And that will just well combine. Perfect. Now we just put this aside. And now you get a good size of baking tray right with aluminum foil. You see, it's fine just like that. And now I'll start putting the chicken on. Okay, now this roughly chicken, we just start pressing them on the baking tray, just like this. Just will just place them like that. So I'm gonna keep on going and then I'll be right back. So as you can see guys, that's roughly right out just like that. And now we actually put them in the oven. Just like this. Then we put in there for 18 minutes. So much 18 minutes or so, we take them out, put them up there, put them back in for another 5 minutes. And then it should be perfect again. Alright, so once you're taking them out of the oven, now you just have to flip them over. I know they were done, but they're not quite done all the way. So we're just gonna flip them over. So after you're done flipping over, we're gonna put it back in the oven, and then we're gonna cook it for another 5 minutes. And then it should be done. And there you go. Nice fresh washed chicken. Oh man, this looks beautiful. Thumbs up for that for sure. Well guys, that's the recipe for roast chicken. I mean, it's just so beautiful. I mean, look at this. Can you guys see them? They're beautiful. Yeah, you could use pretty much anything. You could use quesadilla, salad. Yeah, I know my dad liked to put the chicken out in salad. So, yeah, we hope you guys enjoyed that recipe. So, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure to give a big thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Subscribe, leave a comment. See you all next time. Have a nice day, and peace out.